Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at Palantir. Palantir stock has squeezed up a whopping 10% in a single day. And on top of this past year, this stock is beating the S&P 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ. So we're going to be looking at what's going on and answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest in it? So guys, like, subscribe, do what you guys do. On top of that, guys, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am, my name is Carter. I'm a full-time trader in the stock market. With that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people how to trade. We talk about how I find stocks, my strategies, my mindset, pretty much how I've been a full-time trader. Make sure you guys check it out. You guys can use code YouTube with all caps to get 20% off. So guys, let's jump into this here. So Palantir stock, you guys can see that pretty much the past couple of months we've seen growth from about $7 all the way up to $26 a share, which is an absolute incredible move. You guys can see this is a whopping 250% move in a single, pretty much in a single year, which is quite a lot. Now, as of today, you guys can see that as we go to the 1 minute chart, you guys can see that this stock pretty much has squeezed up, going from $24 to $26, which might not seem like a big move, but for a company like Palantir, this is millions of dollars of market cap. So what is going on? Well, as of today, you guys can see that Palantir stock spiked up 11% as the AI company, pretty much Palantir, pretty much signs a $178 million contract with the U.S. Army. So let's scroll down a little bit here. Palantir stock up 11% on Wednesday. So today, after new deal with Army, like I just said, Palantir won a $178 million deal to work on the Army's Titan project, which is an AI fueled battle fuel system. This is a fantastic thing for Palantir. Now, does this mean that this stock is going to be squeezing up back up to levels at $45? Well, honestly, what we've noticed out of Palantir, in my opinion, looking at some of the fundamentals here, you guys can see that their earnings per share is up 300%. Their revenue is up 19%. As we scroll down, the cash flow is up 282%. The operating income's up 400%. The net income's up, 89%. So we're seeing good growth out of this, but in my opinion, I think this thing's undervalued. I know that sounds crazy. I've been buying Palantir for a long time. I think looking back in 2 to 5 years, Palantir is going to be one of these stocks where we go, I should have bought more. And I understand right now we could be paying a premium for the stock. I'm well aware of that. Meaning, you're paying a little more right now. It's at $26 a share. So the strategy and mindset that I have with Palantir is this. It's very, very simple. It's anytime I invest in the growth stocks, I dollar cost average it. Now, the reason why I do this is actually very, very simple. Is if Palantir stock sells off a little bit, you're averaging in, so you're buying consistently. If Palantir stock sells off from its, current high price of $26, now you're averaging down. So when the stock recovers, you make a lot more money. I definitely think that AI technology isn't going anywhere, and I think we're going to get more and more dependent on it each and every day. And I definitely think Palantir kind of has already been proving itself this past year, but we've seen companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft really leading the way. But I think Palantir is just one of these stocks where it's just underappreciated. And I know it's a growth play and it's, very, very volatile. I'm well aware of that. And yes, this stock could easily hit $100 or it could go to zero. I understand that. So dollar cost averaging. On top of that, keep this thing under, 3 to 4% of your portfolio, meaning for every $100 you have invested into other stocks, bonds, then I would recommend investing $3 to $4 into Palantir. This is a good way to, kind of have a little safety net where if Palantir does sell off a little bit, you're only out 3 or 4%, but if this thing squeezes up, you have some shares to make some money off. And that's kind of the approach and strategy I would have with it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, do it right now, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.